Hello, in this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the Motorola Moto G32. So first of all, we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and right here we can quickly change the brightness level by clicking on the screen once and moving this icon. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen twice. Next, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can use these presets, so that's how we can do this. But also we can click and hold on the preset and you will unlock this slider where you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out to the 8 times. When you click right here, you can also add some filters. As you can see, they change the color and the temperature. To reset, just click on this arrow. Next, you are also able to take photos by using this volume buttons, so let me show you. You can click volume up or volume down and you will take photo. When you are going to click and hold one of these buttons, you are going to take series of the photos. When you click and hold your shutter, you are also going to take series of the photos. Next, we can simply click on this arrow to open more modes, and we can enable camera timer, so that will be 3 seconds delay. You can also pick the 10 seconds. When you open the settings, we can find other options, like on the AI settings. We can, for example, find the smart composition or gesture selfie. So let's try if this function works. Let's switch to the selfie camera. Let's show the palm of our hand. Okay, but looks like this feature is not working for me. So you can give me information in the comments if it works for you. And next, when you go to the photos, we can, for example, change the photo resolution. So I will recommend you to turn on the high resolution. When you go to the video modes, there's nothing interesting, so let's skip this one. Right here, we can enable the grid lines and the camera leveler. Take a look. It appears right now on the screen, and it helps us basically to take better composition on our photos. When you go back to the capture settings, you can also enable tap anywhere to capture. So it works like that. You can just click on the screen, and as you can see, the photo will be taken. When you go right here for another time, as you can see, that's the quick capture option. So you can twist your wrist twice quickly to open the camera, and you can also turn on the selfie camera, the rear camera, or the automatic mode. So let's try if it works. As you can see, this function is working properly. So that's the good point. And that's all from the settings. We can go back, and when you open the more modes, we can find, for example, the dual capture mode. So right now we can record videos from the 2 cameras at the same time. We can also change position of the cameras and the theme, so we can, for example, split screen. When you go back for the more modes, we can also take this high resolution photos with the ultra resolution 50 megapixel mode. And thanks to this mode, you will get more details on the photos that you take. If you want to adjust some parameters manually, you can open the Pro mode, where you can find parameters like focus, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, and also the last one was the exposure compensation. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.